Hey you guys, JB here from Alpha Wolf Consulting. Coming today just to talk to you guys about, like, if you want to understand what I'm talking about, like if you want to experience the power of an unconditional mindset, if you want to understand how to reprogram your mind, if you want to understand how to become that dream aspect of self, do you know what I mean? To live your dream life, whatever that may be. Well, to help you out, I'm offering free workshops in understanding how to create an unconditional mindset. But what I'm also going to do is, for everyone who signs up to that workshop, the free workshop, I'm going to also give you access to my complete works. So my Reprogramming Your Mind course, my 30-day blueprint to creating an Alpha Wolf mindset. Do you know what I mean? My guide to creating an unconditional mindset, and many more different things. And now when I say complete works, I don't mean this is the finalized works. I mean this is the current accumulation or compilation of my works and what I'm working on at the moment. Do you sort of get it? So when you sign up to, and basically the reason I'm doing this is because I'm going to give you all the knowledge, and then in our meeting, in the workshop, we can go through what's most applicable to you. Do you sort of get it? And then you can go off and, figure it out for yourself. And if you want to do more sessions or more programs that I've got set up, I can run you through the programs. But these blueprints, these guides, they're pretty fucking straightforward. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's not rocket surgery. So it's very, very clear. I'm a very direct person. So all of it has video content that guides you through it. So essentially, the personalized programs and sessions are more for people who want to take that leap further. Do you know what I mean? And those who want to just solve a specific problem. I have many answers. And these guides that I talk about, like, these are books. Do you sort of get it? They're like 100 and something pages. Like, when I'm talking about video content, I've got 4,500 videos on YouTube. Do you sort of get it? Like, we're talking hundreds of hours of video content. Do you sort of get it? So just understand that. For the next bit, until I, alter my offers again, you can get my complete works of all of it. And it's like, to give you a bit of perspective, or to give you a bit of understanding. Like, this is the fucking work that I use to become who I am. Do you sort of get it? So, like, if you want what I have, this is the path. And guess what it'll cost you? The whole lot of free. Do you sort of get it? And why? Because knowledge is free. It's all readily, freely available across my channels. Do you sort of get it? So just realize that. And if you want to live your dream life, if you want to experience like a love you've never experienced in life, being alone, like, do you sort of get it? If you want to succeed in life, if you want to create, if you want anything, like, there's two different universes you can choose to exist within. A conditional one where you have conditions to meet before you're allowed to be, or an unconditional one where you're allowed to be even if no condition has ever been met before in your life. So no matter who you are, should you choose to become who you want to be, You will become that person if you choose to believe and embody it, no matter who you are. Hitler himself could become a better person. He just chose not to. Do you sort of get it? So we all have that choice in life to be better people, to strive for more. And if you strive to live the life that you want to live, however you want to live it, then I would strongly advise and suggest, like, this is probably the path for you, eh? You know what I'm saying? Like, if I have to spell it out anymore, I got to start teaching you English. Do you sort of get it? All right. Understand, true power is found within the knowledge of self.